I'm Shailendra Oja, a business consultant. I guess it just started up. It's taking some time to get started on Facebook also. So not started. Uh, hi, hi everyone. My name is Shailendra Oja, owner of Infotonics Media and a business software consultant. I'm an expert of BPRM. BPRM is a business product revenue model with the help of which you can save any drowned company, any drowned product, anytime. So I have done a deep research on that, and I have saved many companies, many products because of that. And the last I saved a company within just 7 days. So today we are going to talk about uh, sort on lockdown. As we all know, it's a big mess happened all around the world because of a virus, and we all are locked down in our home. But yes, we do need money for our survival because funds are allocated for people who are not even able to who are based on daily wages, but not for others. So what we can do, how we can tackle it out? So to find a solution to any problem, we should know about what it in depth information about it. And for the past 1 month, I've been studying about these things. What will happen if when the day lockdown will off? So today I'm going to talk about the SWOT of lockdown, then few options, and discuss about what are the new things we can do, what are the new information we can work on, and what are the opportunities we have in the market, what a kind of business we can start. To start with the SWOT part, uh, the day lockdown ended up, what will be the strength we have? I mean, what we can have, we can do what we have at that moment, which can be utilized to do a business. At that time, we will be having only digital platform running well, which is running right now, and as everybody know very well, digitization is only platform which is not shut down anywhere. So, and we know to use it. So this is our strength at that time. The strength of lockdown is that digitization is possible in that, in this position, in this bad time. And the weakness about this lockdown, as we well known about the fact that we cannot go out to sell or buy the product. So it's very typical to sell our things, sell our services, which is already running in the market. So definitely we have to think beyond that. We have to think more about it, or what we can do when the we have to sell our product. So we'll talk about this also. Now and the opportunities that we can see right now. There is huge opportunity of each and everything that is available in the market. And yes, definitely it's not feasible to sell those things to the people. So what we can do, we can talk about this also. The last is threat. The threat about the lockdown is that when everything is goes will go fine, and we have started, we invested a huge on lot of business, what will going to happen to that those business, because everything will go normal, people will go out of digitization or not. So let's start with the first part, the strength, that as digitization is with us means we can do anything with the help of internet very easily. But yes, in case of hardware product, how we can go with that? So with the hardware product, it's the right time to do branding of your product. And then later I'll tell you about how hardware can also be solved in this time. With the hardware, it is the best time to invest on branding. It is the best time to sell your product, give the awareness to the market about your product. Not selling right now possible, but you can give a good awareness to the people. You can invest in that side. So when everything goes normal, people are likely to buy your product. This is what we can achieve in the digitalization time. Then the companies who are into digital marketing, they are having great future right now, and they can talk to each and every one of their client with this solution, that what they are going to get in this is about the strength that we have. Then we can talk about the weakness. Yes, we cannot go out to sell the product because of infection that is spreaded in the market. But yes, what can be done? How can we? What can be done in this part? As there is a huge opportunity outside, so we can sell product with the guarantee of quarantine. with the guarantee of virus free product to sell in the market. I know it's typical, it's hard to say, it's hard to prove right now that the product you are going to sell in the market will be secure. But yes, if you are able to convince the market, if you are able to make your any hard product, which is a viable product, to be seen as uh, is it's a good product to use right now in the pandemic stage where it is well sterilized to be used and it is infectious free. So there is lot more you have to invest on. There's a lot more where you have to invest on the packaging side. Then we talk about the opportunities. When we talk about the opportunities, yes, there are lots of product of daily usage which people need right now, but yes, you cannot sell it because of the fear of viral infection through that. But yes, again, like I said, if you are able to prove your product is well sanitized, and yes, if you sell this in the market, it is easy to be sold out. So go for that, go for the packaging side. And now we talk about the threat. So as you're using digital platform to sell your product today, I will also talk about many more opportunities that we have to sell in the market. So we'll talk about that also. So there are near about five to six options we have. I can talk about that. Yes, we can do it. So right now, when you are selling product in the digital platform and the lockdown is over, but yes, when the lockdown is over, the market still will not open at least for next 6 months. So for the 6 months, you have a big opportunity to sell any product through digital platform. Any you can start any business which is based on digital platform. You can go with that. And when the lockdown, when everything goes fine, people are ready. Just hold on 1 second. When lockdown is over, the people are ready to talk with you. People are ready to listen you up in the normal way. But yes, till then they are habitual of talking with you. They are habitual of using your product till now. So that is going to help you out a lot. So now let's talk about what are the opportunities we have right now. Uh, uh, First of all, IIoT or the IoT, Internet of Things. These are the product which can be easily sold right now, and people need solution in that. Do not just sell any product that you have which works with IoT. Find out a solution where industries can use these things very easily. Find out a solution where people in their home can use out these things easily. This is what we can do. You can sell with the help of IoT. IoT is Internet of Things. I again say Internet of Things. You all know it is a solution where you can manage your all stuffs with the help of internet. So it is the right time to come out with solution where people don't have to, as practical people are not going out, they can use it by sitting at their home, either to manage their office, their factories, or anything like that. Second is, as people are sitting more at home and even the service support providers are not there, then there is a big need of service support solution in the market. You can work from home, you can start doing selling, providing support, selling services of support from your home, which is definitely going to be low cost, and people will definitely go with you because they have to pay 20 to 25,000 to any person if they hire it dedicatedly. But if you're doing it as a freelancer or a service provider in that domain, then definitely we're going to charge 5 to 10,000 per head. So it is it will be economical and people will love to buy it, and definitely it's going to be a boosted solution in the market if you all think on that way. The second option that we have, as you know, people are using a lot of product online. I don't want to name that product. People are using it a lot for meeting, for them meeting online for their webinars, which is a product from US. But yes, there is a limitation of each and every company to provide any service. Today there are 200 million users they are having, but do you think can they provide solution? Can they serve to all those people? It's typically not possible when it comes to business solution. Right now it's free, you are using it. Any error opens up, you cannot claim about it. But yes, when you are practically doing serious business, you cannot go with lacking in any kind of live streaming or your online meeting. So definitely there is an opportunity that you can also start a similar product for the market, for online meetings and all. Remote assistance, I already talked about that. Remote assistance is going to be the next big thing in the market after the lockdown, during the lockdown. And yes, tomorrow I'm going to discuss about lots of software products that you can think about to start your own business. So I'll come up with 5 to 10 softwares to talk about that can be started, that can be the need of the market, and a link I will share with you on which you can access to more than 1000 scripts. I mean pre-made solution, pre-made software, which you just have to buy by paying a very lesser amount, and it can be started within a week. You can start any new business with that. So I'll come up with that part also. Tomorrow I will discuss about more than 5 to 10 software product that can be started and that will be the need of the market. Apart from that, I would like to give an example. If you want to think more, what more products can be sold out in the market, which is a practically need of the market. So let's take an example of fast card, the card that we burn to kill mosquito in our home. How it gets started? If you remember, earlier we are using some small kind of capsule kind of stuff hardware, which is we used to generally like what do you say, the good night coil or something like that we use. But when they are being consumed through that plate, we then again we burn it out. And many people was using it to burn it out. It is what we call it is jugaad kind of word we use. So but some people think about more in better way. They created a fast card solution, and that is now a hot selling product in the market, and it is a big need in the market right now. So you can even start that business in this lockdown, which is the need of the market, because mosquitoes are increasing a lot day by day. And the last I can talk about, if you see, people are going more towards watching nostalgic thing, Ramayana and old videos, old songs, old ads. But yes, there are a lot of nostalgic things that were selling in the past. You can list down all those things, start any of the product from that. People will like to buy that because there is a need. That we know, if there is a need, you can sell the product. And yes, now the need is available in the market by the people to buy the solution which is nostalgic to them, and you can start with that. It is something that we can go with. So I hope you all are sitting at your home, stay at home, grow your, pick up a pen and paper and think about all those things. What can be done right now? I have told a lot of things about today. What you can think about, what are the areas where people are looking, for solutions? What are the industries which can provide more and more solution to the market? Go with that. Uh, Pick up pen and paper, and we can definitely discuss about it. Message me, call me. My number is 9810959001. I can we can discuss about your business plan, discuss about the product, and let you know how those product will be available in the market, and how people are going to buy. Thanks. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.